In this segment of the Word tutorial, we'll briefly learn about inserting charts in a document in Word. Select the location in the document where you want to insert the chart, click on Insert tab, and then click on the drop-down for Chart, and then select the type of chart that you want to insert. At this point, it's going to open Excel, and you can pick the data that you want to utilize as part of your chart. So simply here, fill out, change this to the specific items, the heading for the various series, and once you have done that, then go back to Word, and there is the chart built from the data that it pulled from that Excel chart we were tinkering a moment ago. From here, you can use these formatting styles for the chart. You can change the quick layout, change the color scheme, and pick from any of the designs that work for you. So the key to remember that once you insert a chart, you have two tabs that show up related to the chart object, such as the chart design and then the formatting of this particular object. If you needed to edit the data, notice that there is the option to edit the data in Excel, and that'll take you back to your data that we used earlier. If we need only two series, move this blue line. Notice there's a little line around it. Move it to the left and update the numbers accordingly. And then we go back to Word, and the chart has been updated.